Now that we have found the value of P, let us now go and look at the next question. It says we should find the cyclic distance and bearing from A. The bearing from A, that means the angle will be at A. We have already found the distance, the final distance from A, that is the 17.4 kilometers. So now we are going to find the bearing from A. Bearing from A, and the bearing from A is from the north pole of A up to this point. The north pole of A up to this point. Don't confuse yourself. It is not 30. The 30 there represent the whole thing up to the B line. Remember when we were sketching it, it's the whole thing up to the B line. But this time around we are looking for the small angle here. Let me even extend the north line at A. So I have extended the north line at A. What the question requires is the angle here and not the whole place here, which is 30. Okay, remember the 60 degrees also represent this whole place from here, from the B line up to this point. So to be able to get the small angle here, we need to know the interior angle. Let me use an arc. The interior angle here. The interior angle. This interior angle. This interior angle. Better still, let me use this as a pencil. This interior angle. Then we subtract it from 90. The remaining will be this place. Note that the whole thing from this side up to this line is 90. Once we know this interior angle, we can subtract from 90 to get the angle that we are looking for. Let's come to this diagram. This will be more clear. Let me draw the cardinal points at A. Good. So this is our A. The angle we are looking for is this place. So we need to calculate the interior angle here. The interior angle here. Don't subtract it from 90, as I've already said. Let me call that interior angle T degrees. T degrees. T degrees. Good. This is opposite to T, and this is the adjacent to T. So I'm going to use tan, and tan is opposite over adjacent, and that is it, opposite over adjacent. Opposite over adjacent. Our tan theta will be equal to 16.943 over 4. Opposite over adjacent. So tan will cross the equal sign. We are looking for T, so tan will cross the equal sign to become tan inverse. Tan inverse. Tan inverse. So T is equal to tan inverse of 16.93 over 4. We use the calculator to find the value of tan inverse of 16.93 over 4. I'm waiting for you to try. Punch and tell me the answer. Our T will be equal to 76.71 degrees, to correct to 2 decimal place. In that case, let's look at the requirement of the question. That one says we should find the bearing of C from A. Henceforth, the bearing of C from A will be 90 degrees. 90 degrees minus 76.71, and that will give us 90 degrees minus 76.71, and that will give us 13.29%. Sorry, degrees. That will give us 13.29 degrees. 13.29 degrees. And as I told you, in bearings, 3-digit bearings, angles are always rounded to the nearest whole number. The nearest whole number will be 13, but it's 3-digit bearing, so you precede it with 0. So our final answer becomes 013 degrees. 013 degrees. I hope you understand this lesson, the solution to this question very well. You didn't fumble. Keep working hard. In the next example, I will I'll give you the question, pause, ask you to pause the video, do the sketch and compare it with my sketch. I'll solve 2 more examples, and then that will be all for this tutorial. Thank you.